Hey guys, today I am shooting another video this weekend of the FPEA Homeschool Convention 2026. So this year we're doing things a little bit different and you'll see how. So we're waiting for a friend to come and pick us up so we can ride together, and we gotta squeeze all of our stuff in her car. Hopefully it fits. There's a little bit more because we have food, because this time we're staying in an Airbnb. So we have 3 of us families are staying in an Airbnb with our kids, and so that's a little different than what we're used to, because normally we stay at the Gaylord Palms or whatever hotel that it's at. But this time that somebody leaked our homeschool code and all the tickets were booked for the hotel, all the rooms were booked within 2 days. So a lot of us actual homeschoolers are not getting to stay at the hotel, unfortunately. So we had to, people were either not going, oh here she is, or getting Airbnb. So here she is. Oh, we need the code for the door. Huh? Okay guys, we are at the Airbnb, but I'm tired right now. Not everybody's here yet. You can see it in the back. There's another part upstairs and some rooms over there and a game room back here. But I'm really tired, so I'll record more later. Hi guys, smile. Who's winning?
Yeah, but he's scratched like 100 times. Literally, he was in there like 7 times. Again?
All right, guys, it's time to sit down with our charcuterie board, and we are gonna plan our day tomorrow. Tomorrow's the first day of convention, and we wanna make sure that we can see each other at least 1 or 2 classes. So we're gonna go through our schedules, drop olives on the floor. And no. And we're still waiting for a friend to come, and the kids are just hanging out. So here's our beautiful charcuterie board. It's a mini me. Our other guests have arrived. Now the party has started. We took those down. We went through all of that to take that down, and they're putting it back.
We could just go around. We could go around.
We're headed to the Gaylord Palms for the convention. So this is crazy. Never in my homeschooling life, and I've been coming to convention for a very, very long time, has it ever been this packed. Like, we've been in line for like an hour just to get in, and now we're trying to get parking, and we're gonna have to walk like God knows how far just to get to the hotel. We already missed our 10:30 class. So yeah, this is insanely packed. I think there's a lot of homeschoolers, a lot more homeschoolers than there has ever been in the state of Florida, or I don't know, all over the place. Oh my gosh, finally, we finally parked. All right, get out and run.
Have to walk like 6.
did some classes and now we are resting. I woke up with a really bad neck pain, so now I'm just hanging out on the couch and getting some rest. See, there's nobody here. It's so much better to stay at the hotel. Like, I really recommend booking that hotel ASAP, because we can't even go back to a room to lay down unless we drive all the way back to the Airbnb. So keep that in mind. Game night. It's time for game night. We ordered pizzas. We have all of our kids over there. Time to go. We're calling it a night. We'll be back tomorrow. For day 2 of the convention, the friends I had been staying with at the Airbnb weren't attending that day. Thankfully, another friend who was staying at this super fun Pokemon-themed Airbnb had room for Arilyn and me to stay the night. We spent the entire next day at the convention, and honestly, I barely picked up the camera at all, but it ended up being really nice. While I was in classes and workshops, my friends helped watch Arilyn and even got her pool passes so she could spend time swimming and hanging out with her friends. And I think ending the trip like this was kind of perfect.